sexy face?
What's good? It's me, Nisha, finna make another shout out video because I forgot some people in the first one. And yeah, I just sucked in some helium because I fucking felt like it. And now it's wearing off and I'm starting to sound like myself again. Shut up! You're ruining my video!
Why is she crying? Go in there. Go in there and cry. I'll give you some candy if you stop crying. Go in there. I'm bringing you some candy. Hold on.
Okay. Fuck, my music stopped. The first person I'm gonna say, first person I'm gonna give a shout out to is, I don't know. But the helium's wearing off and I'm wasting it. Say hey, Kayla. Kayla, you can't see you.
But yeah, I just wasted a minute. But this is another shout out video because I forgot a bunch of people. So I'm finna say the people I forgot or whatever, I guess, if I can remember. Will you stop? I'm gonna give a shout out to Wolf Mob, Drea. I already did all those people. Shout out to Drea. Shout out to Wolf Mob. Shout out to the people I left out, because I can't think of them. Alright. I'm cool wasting y'all videos watching stuff. Shout out to Jared and Jasmine. Shout out to Jeremy. Shout out to, I don't know, shit. Shout out to my little sister Kayla. I said shout out to you in the last one. Shout out to, fucking music keeps stopping. Shout out to Xavier, Adair. Let me go to Facebook. Fuck, never mind. I don't feel like it. But I'm finna just remake this whole thing, cause I'm gonna put this one up, but I'm finna go gather up some names and I will continue this. This is part 1 of me being stupid. I think I'm finna just use the rest of this helium since I don't have none left. Hold on. I just made y'all watch the video for me.
Okay, this is Tanisha wasting your time again. Tanisha aka Stats, Wolf Mob in this bitch, you feel me? There's a party September 4th. Fresh Nation throwing that hoe. Make sure you run through that hoe. And do all kind of things hoes do. But I'm gonna start on my next video, so watch that one.